If your Steam Deck update is stuck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get your device back on track. Step 1. Restart the Steam Deck. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve update issues. Hold down the power button until the device turns off, then turn it back on. Step 2. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Steam Deck is connected to a stable internet connection. Go to the Settings menu, select Network, and verify that you are connected to Wi-Fi. Step 3. Clear download cache. Clearing the download cache can help with stuck updates. Go to Settings, select Downloads, and then choose the option to clear the download cache. Step 4. Manually check for updates. After clearing the cache, manually check for updates. Go to Library, select Updates, and then click on Check for Updates to see if the update can resume. Step 5. Factory reset last resort. If all else fails, you may need to perform a factory reset. Back up your data first, then go to Settings, select System, and choose Factory Reset. Follow the prompts to reset your device. If these steps do not resolve the issue, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.